We have a swarm of bees in one of the trees here in the campground. A local beekeeper has come over and is currently removing the bees from the tree. Hope we'd be interesting to watch it on video. Hope you enjoy it.
Can you hand me my suit? It's just in the back seat, I think.
Have you seen bigger ones before?
Oh yeah, lots bigger.
How many of them do you think are there?
Oh, there's probably 6 pounds of bees there. 3,600 bees per pound.
It's about 20 grand, 20,000.
Wow, way more than I thought.
Oh yeah, at least.
That shit.
I like it in my teas whenever I have tea. And when I used to eat cereal.
Put this on just because I don't want a face full.
Do you get stung a lot?
You scratch your head very often?
Never.
Pretty cool, huh?
If we don't get stung, it'll be pretty cool.
Oh,
They're gonna go for him.
Yeah.
look how big they are.
Wow.
Careful.
They're fanning.
Yeah.
I've got the queen.
You know what that means?
The queen's in there and they know it. Now they're going to come down to the box.
Crap, I've learned a lot today. That is amazing.
You think the queen's in the box?
Yeah, she's in the box or on the lid.
And she won't take off if she's on the lid?
Nope. Oh, just a little rascal.
Will they get you?
Oh yeah. It's getting that time of night. You don't really like to mess with a lot.
Not like they were. Yeah, there's some. Like that one right there.
Getting late. They don't want to move very good.
Well, they're moving pretty good on your plate, your comb up top there looks like.
Yeah.
They're starting to move up there good. We got to get the
The
Yo.
crowd. The crowd.
somebody.
Is he smoking?
He's part of it, but bees are the other part.
Yeah.
Well, his handling of it on managing the bees is what makes the difference.
Like, do the bees matter about the honey, or is it the pollen?
It's flower.
Flowers.
Flowers.
Floral source. See, we used to have a lot of knapweed here, and we used to make a tremendous knapweed crop. And that's the best honey you'll ever eat.
Oh, really? From the nap?
Went out of their way killing our knapweed. And
It's like the bass fishing.
now it's not, my crop's way down. I don't make nothing like I used to.
Yeah, that grass is life for everything. Good oxygen.
It's crazy. Gentle is his key.
Yeah.
And slow. I was looking.
Just barely old enough before cell phones really.
You know, I've had people tell
Really?
me, yeah, Grandpa had
So I
bees.
never had them.
He always
So,
worked like this, and he got stung and never hurt him, and you know, it hurts every time.
Yes, it does.
You might not admit it every time, but it
Doesn't matter
does.
if you've done it 1 year or 60 years, it hurts every dang time.
How about them bald-faced hornets?
They're pretty mean.
That was the worst stung I've ever had.
I've had them knock me to my knees.
I got one right. Yeah, I got that one
The
right on my
venom-
nose under Matt and David's.
The venom proteins are different in each species. So you can be allergic to yellow jackets or wasps or hornets, and not to honeybees, or to honeybees, not to anything else. Or you could be one of them people who's just allergic to everything that stings.
Yeah.
I've got a plastic trough on each one of these that holds a gallon of feed.
What do you feed them?
Liquid sugar.
Just plain old white sugar?
You have to use a
We get a
certain.
blend. It's called 77 or
Oh.
71 or 55, and it's 71% solids or 55% solids. It's corn syrup and cane sugar mix.
Depending what
Because
time
you
of
can't-
year you're doing it?
You
Depends
can't use regular sugar, right?
Oh yeah, yeah, you can.
Oh, because I.
When you buy queens, do you buy a whole bunch or what do you do?
Yeah, I buy. Well, I just finished putting in about 1,200 to 1,400.
You do, huh?
We wintered good enough that I bought some hives a few years ago because we lost a bunch.
Yeah.
What do they look like?
They look like a big housefly.
So they're
They're big bug eyes. They're the same color as these guys. They just got big buggy eyes and a big body, big fuzzy body. But I'm not seeing any at this point.
So the other question, because I saw one of your posts on there. So once in a while you go through them and see if there's extra queens, so they don't.
We
leave?
go through to stop this kind of what they're doing right here, swarming.
Okay.
To stop this, we'll go through and we'll break them boxes in half. We'll tip the